Welcome to the sectioning and downloading tutorial. Navigate and load the desired point cloud within Atlas. Ensure you have watched the navigation tutorial to understand the ways to access and view point clouds. To download a section of point cloud, select the sectioning tool and click on the point cloud. A sectioning box will appear which can be altered. Ensure the editable button is selected to increase or decrease the size of the section or to rotate. Choose the Read Only button to view the section. If you need to make any changes or adjustments, click on the Editable button again and amend the sectioning box. Once in Read Only mode again, select Download to download this section. This will be sent via email. You can also create a camera view of this section. Select Create Camera View and enter the title of the new view. This will be available within the Camera View section of the Browse Data menu, which can be shared with other users. Please refer to the Camera View and Sharing tutorial for further information on sharing.